Google finally releases Gemini Pro 1.5 for public, absolutely for free. You can use it today to analyze the videos, to analyze documents, to analyze files. Let's have a look over here. I loaded the Russian book, and as a response I got beautiful summary that present the concept of the author, and it is separated by parts. So it done a great job. Let's figure out how I did that. I'm Tom D, and this is the AI news. Let's start to explore. First, you need to log in. Go to the website aistudio.google.com, and here you need to have a Google account. On that site you have a file, you have a video, and you have image. So if you want to load the book, you click on File, and you can access the drive, your Google Drive, or you can access the file from your local PC. Let's choose a file from local PC. Here I have this book, Russian book by Mesснер. Let's upload it. And now it's getting extracted. After extracting process, it will start to make a tokens. It calculated the tokens. Model responses will show here. So type enter, and then it start generating the response. 20 seconds passed, and in 20 seconds you summarize the book that 50 pages, it's saying it's 50 pages. So now if I type about does author mentioning nuclear bomb in this book, let's have an answer. It's thinking. 10 seconds, 11 seconds, okay. Yes, the author briefly mentions the atomic bomb in part 1 of the book. When criticizing the post-Yalta democratic world, he compares it to Attila the Hun's destructive campaigns and suggests that the use of atomic bomb has made the world even worse than in Attila's time. Yeah, here's a specific quote, very nice. So you can use this tool right away to summarize your book. In next part we'll cover up how to load the whole catalog, which is for me much more interesting, and I will tell you in the next video why it's so. See you. By the way, I spot the warning over here next to the model, probability of unsafe content. That's interesting. This is kind of censorship, so I move it all to the left, so block only few. I hope they will not extend it to that level that you will not be able to generate summary of the certain books that they don't like or they find it harmful or something, because many books can use hard language, hate speech, strong language, hate speech and harassment, whatever, like can be interpreted this way. But that's the small thing that you need to be aware of.